be doing the satay sauce. So here I have 2 cups of dried roasted peanuts that I have grounded in a food processor. Here I have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of tamarind puree, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then here I have these ingredients are for the spice paste, which is made up of 4 shallots that I've roughly cut up, 2 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, 10 pieces of dried chili that I've soaked in hot water, drained and then cut into smaller pieces, 4 slices of galangal, and 1 bulb of garlic. So now we will blend the spice paste in a food processor. Chili, and then the shallots, the garlic, the galangal, and the minced lemongrass, and then we process it. So this is the blended spice paste that we will cook on the stove in a short while. Heat up 1/4 cup of cooking oil. So once you see it shimmering, you can add in the spice. Until it's aromatic on medium to low heat. And cook it for about 15 minutes. Until it's aromatic and it's dry. Stirring frequently so that to avoid burning the spice paste. And now this is already after 15 minutes. You can see that it is very aromatic. You can smell the aromatics and it's dry. So this is the right time to add in the peanuts and the 800 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Stir it to make sure all is well combined and raise the heat to high and bring it to a boil. So Now it has come to a boil. You can add in the sugar, the dark soy sauce, the black soy sauce, the salt, and the puree. You add a little bit of water and try and dissolve it in the water first, and add into and stir to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Then you lower the heat and let it simmer until it thickens. Stirring constantly until it reaches the consistency that you like, until it's very smooth. So after stirring constantly, it has reduced down to the thickness that I like. So we can now turn off the heat.